Hey friends, today I'm here with a digital Bible journaling process video, and I'm going to introduce you to the Goodnotes app. Over in the Creative Retreat shop, I recently introduced a digital Bible journaling collection, which I'm really excited about because I've been having a lot of fun with this new to me method. I've downloaded Creative Retreat Shadowcaster digital pack and the Creative Retreat digital journaling Bible. So I'll start by opening the Goodnotes app and open up the journaling Bible. And then you'll see the cover page, and you can click and drag to scroll through the pages. Each tab is hyperlinked to the book, the corresponding book. On the inside cover, you have several different note pages, different styles. You have a blank page, a grid page, a dot grid page, and lined pages. We have a New Testament title page. Let's jump over to Colossians. And with this button up at the top, we're able to edit, and you can mark up each page, do some highlighting, some writing in your margins. Let's choose a highlighter color. And then we can pinch and zoom, move over to Colossians 2, and I'm looking for verse 17. And I'll highlight, which are a shadow of the things to come, but the body is Christ's, which is our focus verse for this month's kit. Then I can choose the pen tool. There's several different options under the pen tool. I'm using the brush, and you can choose a number of different colors. You can even custom mix your own color over here in the color picker. Within each pen style, you can choose pressure sensitivity, some other features within that. I'm going to turn down the pressure sensitivity just a bit. Choose my ink color, and then pinch and zoom to begin journaling in the margin. My reflection on this verse was that the whole of Scripture, the Old Testament and New Testament, all point forward to Jesus, both his arrival and his return. The law, the prophets, the stories, and the characters are shadows of the one to come. So I have my journaling done, and now I'd like to dress up my page. So I'm going to go back into my Documents panel and import the Shadowcaster sticker book. And now I have two windows open. So to put them side by side, I'm going to click on this small icon in the top right corner and click Open New Window. And now they are visible side by side. Now I'm going to scroll to see stickers that are preloaded in this sticker book. And I'm going to start with some of those flowers down at the bottom. I'm going to add those to accentuate my journaling that I've already written. I'm going to scroll back over so I can see my journaling. And I will start with this bottom flower right here. I'll do a long press and then click and drag it across from one screen to the other. And then you'll see I can rotate and resize to get it just the way I want it, and then drag it to place it. Now I'll do the same thing with another flower. Again, I'm long pressing and then dragging. When you see the little green plus sign, that's how you know it's selected and copying to your other document. Now I'm going to resize it and then place it to anchor that journaling. Now I want to put a title and a date with it. So I'm going to use this journaling block here, drag that across and resize it. And put it down there at the bottom of my journaling. Now I'm going to scroll to another page and grab a piece of washi to anchor that journaling block. I'm going to drag that semi-transparent piece of washi across, resize it. I'll scale it down and then I'll move it to be down there by the journaling block. And then if I single click it, you'll see this window pop up and I can arrange, send to back. And that puts it behind the journaling spot there. I really want it to stick out from both sides of the journaling spot, so I'm sizing it up a bit. And then I'm going to copy and paste that same piece of washi. By single clicking, you can pull up this menu again and copy and then paste. I'm going to rotate it so that it's a little bit wonky, and then I'm going to move it to the back again with a single click. Scroll over to arrange and then send to back. And you know we can't have a creative retreat page without a little wonky heart, so I'm going to choose one of these hearts over here and put it in the top right corner of my journaling spot. Size that down. Then I want to put a title right on top of that journaling spot. So now I can use the text tool to type. And I'm going to put the title of this kit, which is the main idea of this page, which is Shadowcaster. I'm also going to put the date underneath that so I remember when I created this page. There's a little anchor up there at the top that allows you to move that text box around. I'm going to put it on top of the journaling spot. And then I can change my font. There's a number of different styles and fonts to choose from. I'll slide it down so it's a little bit smaller. Now I really want the name Jesus to stand out on my page, and I noticed that I have a Jesus sticker over on the sticker page. So I think what I'll do is use the erase tool up here in the top menu bar. And I'll erase with the precision eraser. And I'll eliminate my handwriting there and replace it with that beautiful script word Jesus over on the sticker sheet. Single click and then long press it to drag it across the page. And then I will size it up to make sure that it's a really big statement, because that is my main idea, that's my main word. That's my main title of this page, is Jesus. It's all about him. I notice this cute word fetty over here that says shadows. And again, since that's one of the main ideas of my page, I'm going to erase that word from my journaling and I'll replace it with that sticker that says shadows. Now that I'm done with the sticker pack, I can go up to the top left corner and click X to close out that page and return to the single view of my Bible. Now, the great thing about digital Bible journaling is that you can go back and change things easily. One of my favorite things to do is when I complete a page like this, I can go back and resize it, or to create a micro journaling page, or I can even select everything and slide it up. So I'll go grab the lasso tool and I will select everything in my margin and then just click and drag to move it up on my page so that it's right there next to my highlighted verse. And that's my page. So now it's set in place and I can flip through the pages just like I could with a paper Bible. Thank you so much for watching. I'll link all the products that I used below. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, or post any questions that you may have about digital Bible journaling or using these products. And until next time, have fun.